Right, so in today's video we're going to be taking a closer look at the new feature which came along with the summer update with the Insta360 X5, and it's called Adaptive Tone. So if you're unsure what Adaptive Tone is, it basically optimizes the video quality by dynamically adjusting the brightness, contrast and colour based on the scene's lighting conditions. So in short, it's going to reduce blown out highlights, it's going to reveal more details in shadows, and we'll have a dynamic re-exposure. So now I'm going to go around and start filming some clips for you. I'll be splitting the screen, and on the left hand side we're going to have some normal filming mode with the X5, and on the opposite side we're going to be activating that adaptive tone. So hopefully we see some differences there. Here we go. And now I'm going to mix it up and chuck a few time lapses in for you. Now with the X5 you can work right up to 11K, so that's what these are going to be in for you right now. So it's going to be 11K, 30 frames, and the intervals every 2 seconds. Here's some time lapses. Here we go. So I hope you've enjoyed this video today, and now that you've seen the differences with the adaptive tone turned off to when it's turned on, it's up to you if you activate that or not. Now I'd strongly recommend that you use it on a really bright lit sunny day. Now today's been very challenging as it was really bright and sunny when I first came out, and then as the day went on we get a lot of cloud cover, so it's in and out the cloud there. But it's been a good comparison because I've got plenty of shots in the full sunlight and then in the shaded areas. And I hope you enjoyed them time lapses as well. I did that in 11K 30 frames and intervals of 2 seconds, as I said, and I'm really impressed with it as you can use that 360 lens to navigate all the way around, and you can zoom in, zoom out without losing any quality there. So as always, do stay tuned to the channel as there's going to be plenty more videos on the horizon, especially with testing out this newly released X5. So for now, thanks for watching, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and bye for now.